What is going on, guys? Today we are on the dyno again. Behind me is a F-150 Lightning. This is actually Bob Dill's truck. It is a Coyote swapped F-150 Lightning. And we got Kevin here in the house to tune. Kevin MacDonald was around JPC for a long time, and he is back with us. Kind of, it's a little complicated, but we've got Kevin here tuning, and he's going to be back working with us for a while. So if any of you out there have a Lightning, make sure you email us or comment down below, give us a shout, and we can certainly work out Kevin and Next Gen to collaborate and help you guys out. But if you have any other cars out there, Kevin is also a go-to for Coyotes, 3 valves, stuff like that. But he will be working with us again. Right now, we're gonna get into tuning this thing, and we'll show you guys the setup a little bit. All right, Kevin, so
yes, sir.
That first one was wastegate. What was that last one?
So the last one we had 10 pounds on the top of the gates.
Okay.
And that brought our boost up to probably about 19. I'm just gonna pull a log and see what it says.
You got your setup in here. Truck is still pretty much the same setup, besides we got a air to water there. So, but we got the man in the house, so I'll let him know that you're going to be here a little bit more often now.
Yeah, summer's coming, so time to get busy.
Oh yeah. Well, let's see what this thing. What are we doing next? What as far as boost?
We were just doing room temperature water, so now we got 2 bags of ice in it, and we're going to go a little more on the boost control, and probably turn it up to mid-20s boost. See where she ends up.
You done took it off the graph, man. What's going on?
That was the goal, right? But it's right there.
Some really clean curves, though.
Yeah, sure. It's right there, what it was doing before.
Same, pretty much same as before.
Yeah, but now you got air to water.
Yeah.
So it won't fall off.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're icing up the truck right now. The first pull was the 755 pull, and that was actually on wastegate. And wastegate, I believe, is around 14 to 13 pounds. The one before that, the 955 pull, was about 17 to 18 pounds of boost. Again, this is a built Coyote from here in-house. And the last pull, where it peaked over 1,000, was 21 pounds of boost. We're doing a little bit of experimenting right now. We're going to pull some timing out of it. And like I said, Kevin will be here pretty much openly now. So if you guys book with him, and he'll be able to use our dyno, or if you guys want to use him and book through us, either way is fine. But Kevin and the shop are teaming up again. So he's really good at drivability tunes, probably one of the best tuners out there for the late model stuff as far as drivability, while making sure your car makes power and is still safe. So he definitely takes his time and doesn't do any copy and paste tunes like some of the other competitors out there. So if you guys want a true custom tune, make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and either reach out to Kevin or myself here at the shop, and we get you guys taken care of. But we're gonna go ahead and do this next pull and see what happens. obviously you can see curve on that back end was looking a little weird. So come in here, and our Mac solenoid has one of those stuck in it. Kevin's got her cleaned out now, but the dump valve, as far as the Mac solenoid goes, was stuck open. So there's our culprit, we hope. We'll go ahead. Kevin, are you gonna make another rip, or are you just gonna fix it and put it back?
We can air test it on
Air test it.
airline.
Yeah, make sure it's not dumping out like before.
Yeah, because everything was working perfectly until this. So we'll just have to try it and
Always
see.
something. Putting her back together.
Can't believe it. We fixed
Works
it.
better than it did before now, too.
Yeah.
Alright. There you go. Got freshly tuned truck with the new air to water. Still made the similar power, but you know, maybe it won't get so hot now. So.
Yeah. We got the rapid response boost control valve rebuild.
Yeah. Really clean lightning. This thing is super clean. You guys will probably see it at a whole bunch of events as far as mod motors go. It's definitely the one of one. You know which truck this is. Alright, so we got the truck off the dyno, off the hubs itself. These guys are repairing the Mac solenoid. Probably best bet to buy a spare one for that, but the changes in the tune went well over from the air to air to the air to water. Like I said, Kevin is going to be back here a lot more working with us, so if you guys need anything done with Kevin or from Kevin, make sure to book with him or with us, and either of us can square you guys away. Like I said, he is still the go-to for lightning stuff, even though this one is a Coyote swap. So if any of you lightning owners out there are watching this video, make sure you reach out to us or him, and we can get you guys taken care of, along with the slightly older models. Stock ECU stuff is his specialty. He's really good at drivability and also making sure you have a safe but yet aggressive tune. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next dyno video.